Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a bust, well, not a bust down, how to do a side part. Guys, you're gonna look like Beyonce. After you install this wig in your head, you're gonna look like I'm a single lady. I'm a single lady. Oh, 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 oh. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We have to get to 100k, guys. Once I get to 100k subscribers, I'm definitely doing a giveaway. Yes, definitely. I don't know what I was talking so much in here, but I'm gonna be using the bolt hold glue. So this is the advice that I would give to anybody. Invest yourself in a good glue wig or glue hair, because I think this glue is really good because it's gonna melt down your hair. This is me blow drying it until it's a little bit clear. I'm gonna be installing now. This is the part where, okay, where did I go? Okay, wait, I'm back. This is the part where you have to be very, very clean. You do not want hair on the bottom of your lace. Make sure you are very clean, guys. There's so many cars passing by my house. I'm so annoyed, as if they don't know that I'm a YouTuber. Like, it's too much car passing by right now. Anyways, back to the video, guys. You see how I plucked the hair? I plucked my hair. Plug your wig, please. Like, when you don't plug your wig, you're gonna look like somebody's grandma. Yeah, I meant to say that. So plug your hair. So after I glue, I go with the blow dryer again. I blow dry it for maybe like 3 minutes or whatever you think. If you feel like it's glued already, then that's it. But I keep blow drying, and then I go with my side part. So this is not a full, like a full lace. It's a 13 by 6, I think. So I couldn't really do like a side part how I wanted, to be honest, but we made it work. So now here we are, guys. Invest in a hot comb. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it literally lasted me like for 3 years. Make sure you hot comb the side of your hair. Just don't burn your ears. But yeah, make sure you hot comb really good, guys. Hot comb your hair. I don't know, what am I looking for? Oh yeah, you want to make sure you have a deep side part, like a very deep side part, and then you go with the, I don't know how you call this. It's a wax, I think. I don't know what's the name of it. Something wax, I forgot. So you're gonna go apply this where you literally hot comb your hair. So you're going to brush it down, just so that way you don't have what's all this noise? Oh my god, like they act like they don't know I'm fucking, sorry guys, I curse. But anyways, guys, so yeah, so you have to make sure the side part is really nice and neat. Take your time, okay? Take your time. Do not rush it. Make sure it's very clean. Make sure the edges are nice and neat. Yeah, so yeah, guys. Now I'm gonna be, I don't know why I'm yawning, but whatever. So now we are going to be, this is a very tricky part. I'm going to use my brow razors to cut the layers. I really think if you want some nice curls, add some layers, because layers definitely will help you with the curls. So here I am, adding some layers. I was scared because I didn't know how it was gonna be. When you're doing layers, make sure like you're doing like cricket. Like your layers shouldn't be straight. I don't know how to explain it to you. I don't know. Maybe I should do a video of like how to cut your own layers. So I made sure I definitely straight my hair before I actually went in curly, because I feel like my hair was just like, it had too much volume, and I feel like when you curl your hair, it is definitely gonna add more volume. So I use this curly iron. Oh, here I am burning myself, guys. I was going through it. I don't know, like, whatever I do, I always hurt myself. I always burn myself or cut myself by mistake. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Sorry, guys. I was watching Instagram. Sorry. So here I am. I'm using flexi rods, guys. This is flexi rods will definitely help to hold down the curls for sure. So I went with the flexi rods. Um, if you have flexi rods, you don't even need to straighten your hair anymore because I mean curl your hair. I feel like flexi rods definitely does the job. Just leave it there for like 5 or 2 hours. No, 5 or 10 hours. I don't know why I said 2 hours, but yeah. So you're gonna curl everything. So the secret to curls, what somebody told me, is whatever side this side part is at, it goes away from your face, basically. Did I explain it right? I don't know what I was listening to, but yeah, guys. So here I am. I'm just curling my hair, just making sure everything is like on point. When I curl my hair, I let it wait for like, I would say 30 seconds, because I want to make sure that my hair is actually really curly. I didn't have enough flexi rods, and I was struggling here, okay, because I had to decide if I was gonna use the socks or my underwear to curl my hair. I don't know, guys. I was going through it, but I definitely need to get more flexi rods for sure. So, and this is the next day. So guys, I did my makeup off camera. I look so good. I look so pretty. Oh my god, this car is passing by, pissing me off. But anyways, I look so good. This is me after I took the curls down. I just wanted to show you guys how good the girl was looking. And let me tell you something. That wig band, that wig head, well, the wig band helps. Okay, wait, if you do your hair the night before, tie your lace with the wig band, the lace. I don't know what you have, but just tie your lace, because look how good I look. Mwah. Ah, I looked so good, guys. I honestly, I was in love with the results, whatever it's called, but I was so excited. I got so many compliments from my hair, my makeup, my outfits, guys. And I also got this hair from Brooklyn Hair. They also have a store in New York and in Jersey, but they also have a online store. I really like this hair. And I was scared to actually wear it. So, guys, this is the final look. If you follow my step and you think your hair came out really good, hit me up on Instagram. Don't be shy. Send me some pictures because I want to see what were the final look for the resort. I don't know why I was talking too much, but I think I was just doing an outro, guys, to be honest. But I'm honestly, I was debating whether I should do edges or not, and I feel like with this look, no edges was the best option, to be honest. But yeah, this is the final video, guys. Bye. Buenas noches.